Well, I think the responsibility for this unfortunate condition lies with the government. The government prints money, and I'm saying the government because the Fed is basically there to support the governments and to support their fiscal deficits. So they basically finance the whole government activity. And as you know, over the last, say, 2-3 decades, government spending as a percent of the economy has been going up, and the deficits have been increasing, and increasingly central banks have been printing money. So there's a connection between the three government, the Treasury, and the Fed or other central banks.